Best IPTV apps for Samsung Smart TV. Are you tired of your IPTV app constantly freezing or not loading on your Samsung Smart TV? I know exactly how frustrating it is when you just want to relax and watch your favorite show. But do not worry. In this video, I will show you how to fix these issues yourself right at home. It is much easier than you think, and you will be back to streaming in no time. Please leave a comment if you face any difficulty. I will reply to you within 1 hour. Also, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes for more professional troubleshooting fixes. First, let us talk about the most reliable apps available on the Samsung Tizen operating system. Smart IPTV is a top choice. It is stable, easy to set up, and supports M3U playlists. IBO Player Pro is another native solution. It offers a secure and very fast connection. Smart One IPTV is also great. It handles multiple languages and even includes radio stations. Now, let us go through the step-by-step solutions to fix any streaming problems. Step 1. Update your software. Go to Settings, then go to Support, then select Software Update. Select Update Now to ensure your TV firmware and apps are running the latest versions. Step 2. Check your internet speed. You need at least 10 megabits per second for HD. For 4K content, we recommend at least 25 megabits per second for a smooth experience. If your Wi-Fi is unstable, try using a wired Ethernet connection to reduce buffering. Step 3. Clear your cache. Go to Settings, then go to Support, then select Device Care. Then select Manage Storage, find your app, and select Clear Cache to boost performance. Step 4. Perform a power cycle. Unplug your TV from the wall for 60 seconds. Do the same for your router. This clears temporary glitches in your connection. Step 5. Change your DNS settings. Go to Settings, then go to General, then go to Network. Select Network Status, then IP Settings. Change the DNS server to 8.8.8.8. If your TV is an older model, consider using an external device like a Fire Stick. This bypasses the built-in system and provides a much faster and more flexible experience. Following these steps will resolve almost any IPTV issue on your Samsung TV. I hope this guide helps you get back to your favorite content without any more stress. Good luck with your fix, and I will see you in the next troubleshooting video. This is TechVibes. Thanks for watching.